Imagine this. You discover a super cool startup. Maybe they sell eco-friendly sneakers, or they have an app that helps you do homework in 5 minutes. You love the product so much that you think, dude, I wish I owned a bit of this company. Guess what? There is a moment when that dream becomes real. It's called an IPO. And everyday people, students, beginners, literally anyone, can become owners. But how does a company go from founder and friends to letting you buy their shares? Let's break this down. Your future portfolio might thank you. Welcome back to the channel. If you're curious about the stock market but it still feels like rocket science, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about IPOs, initial public offerings, the moment a private company opens its doors to everyday investors. It's like a grand opening party, but instead of free snacks, they're offering you shares of their business. Think of a company's life like a teenager growing into an adult. When a business is young, it's private. Only a few people own it: founders, family, investors. But when the company grows bigger, needs more money to expand, wants more fame, it decides to go public. That's where an IPO comes in. IPO equals company sells its shares to the public for the first time. You can finally buy a slice. In India, companies list on NSE or BSE. In the US, they list on NYSE or NASDAQ. Example: India, Zomato, Nykaa, Mama Earth. USA, Airbnb, Rivian, Robinhood. Millions of regular people lined up to buy these shares because who wouldn't want to own a part of something they use every day? Pause and think. Why sell ownership? Why not just take a bank loan? 3 simple reasons. 1. Raise big money. Want to build 200 more restaurants or expand delivery to every city? IPO gives companies huge funds quickly. 2. Brand flex. A listed company gets fame. Suddenly, everyone knows your name. Your brand becomes a trust mark. 3. Existing investors cash out. Early investors get to sell some shares and finally enjoy profits. It's like a graduation ceremony for companies. Let's break it into a quick path. Step 1. Decision. Company says, we're ready for the big leagues. Step 2. Hire experts. Banks, lawyers, auditors. Yep, the boring but important people. Step 3. Decide share price. They calculate a price band. For example, $100 to $110 in India or $30 to $32 in the US. Step 4. You apply through apps like Zerodha, Grow, Upstocks in India, or Robinhood, Webull in the US. Step 5. Lottery time. Demand is crazy. Then you might not get shares even if you applied. Step 6. Listing day. The company shares start trading. The price may jump or fall. Yup, reality hits. Mini cliffhanger. Everyone hopes for listing gains. The price going up on day 1. But trust me, that doesn't always happen. India versus USA IPO culture. Quick peek. India, more hype. Small investors love listing profit. Oversubscription is super common. USA, more focus on long-term valuation. Tech companies often list even before profits. Think Uber, huge company, still not profitable when it listed. Different vibes, same goal, growth. Should you invest in IPOs? Short answer, not always. Long answer, let's break it into a mini checklist. Before applying, ask, do I trust the business? Do you use it? Do you understand it? If yes, great sign. Is the company actually earning money or just burning cash on ads? What are experts saying? Check basic research. Don't rely only on hype. Will I hold long-term if listing gains don't happen? If your answer is no, think again. Because some IPOs go up like rockets. Others? Well, remember Paytm IPO in India? Big hype, big drop. Don't chase trends blindly. Smart beginner tips. Quick wins. Tip number 1. Don't invest your entire savings. Start small. Learn the game. Tip number 2. Apply from multiple family accounts. Works in India. Higher chances in oversubscribed IPOs. Tip number 3. Only invest in things you understand. Food delivery, fashion, tech. Stick to what makes sense to you. Tip number 4. Think long-term. If you believe in the company, holding long can multiply returns. Example: Infosys went public in India in the 90s. Long-term holders became legends. IPOs look glamorous. FOMO is real. Everyone brags about day one profits. But the best investors don't chase hype. They chase business quality. Owning shares means you're becoming a tiny partner in that company. So choose your partners wisely. All right, now you officially understand IPOs more than most of your friends. If you found this useful, hit like, drop a comment with an IPO you're curious about, and subscribe for more real finance talk without the boring stuff. Let's grow smarter together.